Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can browse by language on Netflix. So, I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. And if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away and follow me guys. And now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Netflix app or go to your Netflix website, and then what you need to do is you need to log in with your account and then choose the profile that you use to watch Netflix. So once you do it, you'll be over here in this particular platform like this. Okay, like you'll be having this title bar over here on your top where you'll find home, TV show, movie, latest, my list, and many more. So from here you need to go to browse by language, just choose it, and now you are over here. So here you can select your preferences. You can choose original language, dubbings, subtitles, anyone, and over here you can choose the languages: English, Japanese, Korean, French, anything like that, and you can search it like that one. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.